Oh, sorry, friend. I didn't see you there. Don't mind me. I was just looking at this slice of paper towel. I suppose you hear about population growth and comparing density dependent to density independent variations of that. So, density dependent population growth is population growth that is based upon forces and pressures that vary depending on the size and density of your population, right? So if I have more of an organism in an area, the way in which they interact with that resource is different than if they have less of that organism in that area. And so some easy examples of density dependent population growth are food based resources, shelter based resources, water based resources, space based resources, right? And so if I have 7 orange trees in an area, maybe I can have 8 goats live in that area, right? If I have 9 goats in that area, things start falling apart, gets too densely compacted of a population for that ecosystem to support. Yeah? So most of the time when we think about resources that impact population growth, it's going to be density dependent because more often than not, the more organisms that you have, the less the ecosystem can hold. Right? There are, however, some density independent forces that regulate population growth. And some things like temperature, right? And so if it's 17 degrees out and the fruit flies need to be 42 degrees, right? It doesn't matter how many fruit flies show up to that area, they're going to die, right? I could have 1,000 fruit flies show up, they're going to die. I could have 4 fruit flies show up, they're going to die. The density doesn't matter. It's independent. Okay? So things like natural disasters fall under this category. Pollution falls under this category because you're poisoning all the organisms. They're going to die, right? So yeah, population growth, density dependent versus density independent. Ta-da! Bye.